How to use iMessage on Windows PC without Mac. Fast messaging, quick messaging and WhatsApp or FB Messenger have taken over the world of communication. Disappointingly, Apple doesn't supply any cloud-based platform like Android, the place you'll be able to stack up a web page and reply to messages. Certainly, iMessage is an Apple-dependent platform that requires an Apple gadget to ship or obtain messages. However, the whole lot has an answer, and right here is a strategy to reply to iMessages on a home Windows 10 PC without touching your iPhone. Learn additional to discover extra. Apple has an exceptionally superior characteristic that you could proceed your discussions the place you left off utilizing any of the Apple units. The iCloud-based handoff know-how has saved all of the units, iPhone, iPad, or Mac, in sync to take up your dialogue on any gadget. iMessage on PC utilizing the Chrome Distant Desktop extension. If you happen to use a Mac working with Mac OS X, you'll be able to obtain and set up Google Chrome Distant Desktop extension from the extension retailer. This may sync Google Chrome in your Mac and home Windows PC to make use of iMessage on home Windows PC. Step 1. Greater than download and install Chrome Remote Desktop in your home Windows PC. Step 2. Click on the Add App button to get it in your Mac as properly. Step 3. Permit full entry management in your Google permissions to your Google account. Step 4. Click on Unauthorized to proceed to grant full entry to the brand new window. Step 5. Chrome Distant Desktop will provide you with two choices: Distant Help and My Computer Systems. You possibly can go to the Distant Help choice to get entry to the MacBook or home Windows PC. Step 6. Now choose a 6-digit PIN that you will want to enter in each the units. Step 7. It's good to be certain that each the units are turned on and Mac has the texting app open. Step 8. Take the Distant of Mac in your home Windows 10 and enter the PIN when prompted. Step 9. Click on the Join button and it'll set up the connection very quickly. Utilizing iPodian Emulator, iOS Emulator. Like Android emulators, there are iOS emulators available that you can install on your Windows PC to start out utilizing iMessage on PC. Observe these steps to get it immediately. Step 1. Open Google Chrome Internet browser in your home Windows PC and search iPodian.internet. Step 2. Obtain and set up the iPodian emulator from its official website. Step 3. Launch the emulator to start out exploring choices for iMessage. Step 4. Search iMessage for PC within the search bar and obtain the iMessage app. Step 5. Open the app and log in along with your iCloud ID or Apple ID and password, and you might be all set. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.